Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the account and the destination address. First, make sure you can sign into the Gmail account and open settings. Once done, navigate to Forwarding and POP/IMAP in Settings. Click Add a forwarding address and enter the email you want messages sent to. You must have access to that inbox to complete verification. This step starts the automated chain. Verify quickly so you can move to setting filters and final rules in the next slide. Next, verify the forwarding address using the code emailed to that inbox. Confirm promptly to enable forwarding. Then go to Filters and Blocked Addresses and choose Create a new filter. Define the criteria that decide which messages are forwarded. Use from, subject, has the words or size filters so you don't forward everything. Once you've filled criteria, click Create Filter, check Forward It, and select the verified address. Test the filter with a sample email to ensure it matches exactly what you intended. Finish by saving the filter and double-checking forwarding and POP/IMAP to ensure the address remains verified and active. Make organizational choices. Add a label or archive forwarded messages so your inbox stays clean. If you need to forward all mail, set the filter accordingly, but be careful with loops if both accounts forward back. If forwarding fails, clear the verification process and re-verify the destination, inspect spam or conflicting filters, and ensure labels or routing rules in Google Workspace aren't blocking delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.